B-2 Spirit, inside the $2 billion Street Elth Flying Fortress. The B-2 Spirit, also known as the stealth bomber, is one of the most advanced and expensive military aircraft ever built. Developed by Northrop Grumman for the United States Air Force, this long-range strategic bomber embodies cutting-edge stealth technology, allowing it to penetrate the most sophisticated enemy air defenses undetected. With a staggering price tag of $2 billion per unit, the B-2 remains a symbol of American military superiority and technological advancement. Origins and development. The development of the B-2 Spirit began during the Cold War, as part of the U.S. Air Force's Advanced Technology Bomber ATB program. The goal was to create a next-generation bomber capable of evading Soviet radar and delivering nuclear payloads deep inside enemy territory. Northrop Grumman won the contract in 1981, and the aircraft was officially unveiled in 1988. The B-2's first flight took place on the 17th of July, 1989, and it entered operational service in 1997. Initially, 132 units were planned, but due to the Cold War ending and budget constraints, production was reduced to just 21 aircraft. Stealth, technology, and design. One of the most distinctive features of the B-2 is its flying wing design, which contributes to its superior stealth capabilities. This design minimizes its radar cross-section, making it nearly invisible to enemy radar systems. Key stealth features include radar-absorbing materials, RAM. The B-2 is coated with a classified material that absorbs radar waves, reducing detection. Serpentine air intakes. These prevent radar waves from bouncing off internal engine components. Exhaust shielding. The bomber's exhaust is designed to minimize infrared signatures, making it harder to detect via heat sensors. Performance and capabilities. The B-2 Spirit is not just a stealth aircraft. It is also a powerhouse in terms of range, payload, and mission capability. Range: 6,000 nautical miles, approximately 11,000 kilometers. Without refueling, but with in-air refueling, it has global reach. Speed: it can fly at a high subsonic speed of Mach 0.95, about 630 miles per hour, or 1,010 kilometers per h. Payload: it can carry 40,000 pounds, 18,000 kilograms, of conventional or nuclear weapons. Crew: operated by just 2 pilots, unlike older bombers that required larger crews. The B-2 can deliver both conventional and nuclear weapons, including B-61 and B-83, nuclear bombs, JDAM precision-guided bombs, massive ordnance penetrators, MOP, for deep underground targets, combat history and missions. Despite being designed for Cold War-era nuclear deterrence, the B-2 has been actively used in combat operations. 1999 Kosovo War conducted airstrikes against Serbian targets. 2001 Afghanistan participated in Operation Enduring Freedom. 2003 Iraq War used to strike high-value Iraqi targets. 2011 Libya attacked Libyan air defenses during Operation Odyssey Dawn. The B-2's ability to fly from Whiteman Air Force Base, Missouri, strike targets anywhere in the world, and return home makes it a vital asset in modern warfare. Cost and future of the B-2. With a unit cost of approximately $2 billion, including research and development, the B-2 is one of the most expensive military aircraft ever built. The high cost was a major factor in limiting production. However, the B-2 is gradually being replaced by the B-21 Raider, a next-generation stealth bomber expected to enter service in the mid-2020s. Despite this, the B-2 remains a key component of the U.S. Air Force's strategic bomber fleet and will likely continue to serve for decades to come. Conclusion: the B-2 Spirit is an engineering marvel, combining stealth, range, and firepower into a single aircraft. While it may be expensive, its ability to conduct high-risk missions with precision and minimal detection makes it one of the most formidable bombers ever created. As newer technologies emerge, the B-2's legacy as a pioneer of stealth warfare will remain unparalleled in aviation history.